I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter.
Good luck sa ipapakita mo, magsimula ka na.
Yung gagayahin sa bahay yan, mga bata!
Ibaba mo yan. Kung hindi, ang dulo ng baril ko, ang huli mong makikita.
If you're an aspiring radio DJ, then duet this and show us what you've got. Let's practice introducing some songs on air.
Okay.
How about Savage Love by Jason Derulo? All right, so you've got about 12 seconds before the vocals kick in for the song, but I'm going to try it first. In 3, 2, 1. It's now 2:33 all over the metro. It's time for the TikTokers to start moving so we can burn some calories, baby. We're dishing out a song from Jason Derulo called Savage Love. Get up, get moving. You're on Q105. Your turn. Come up with your own spiel or just repeat what I said. 3, 2, 1.
Aray na aga sa Indog sa mga tugan niyang po kamadugusa sa kuyang programang Asinsado sa Radyo. Ano oras 5 minutos makalihis ang alas 10 ng pag-aga. Siniyatod ko po sa Indo ang kanta sa Savage Love by Jason Derulo. Iniyo po itinatao sa Indo ka na Farmasya. Uy!
Make sure to tag me and challenge your friends to try it.
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
影分身の術
Pinasok ko and boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin, tumagilid, tumihaya.
Nauubayan na ng Malacanang sa mga lokal na pamahalaan ang pagpapasya sa panawagang tanggalin na ang liquor ban. Umapela ang mga kumpanya ng alak na hayaan na silang magbenta ng kanilang produkto kahit na umiiral pa rin ang enhanced community quarantine.
I got a new life, you would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. How could a person
Medyo may ines. Like, oh! Ganun talaga. Napasigaw ako. Minsan, babato ko yung phone, tas, oh! Ganon. Yes,
Dramatic
medyo
pala.
dramatic talaga.
I'll never let go. I promise. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Aminado rin siya na kagagamit lang ng droga bago siya mahuli.
Ginagamit ko po yan pampasipag po. Pampapogi.
Ikaw na ang pinaka-gwapo na binata.
So Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed. Summer, lama, duma, lama, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is shaking off of me and it'll glue to you and devastating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a mother.
Baby, yeah boy, you crazy. Down boy, look at your glass face. Why you so serious?
Dahil dito sa mga pagsisinungaling mo! Dahil ito sa lahat ng pagtatraidor mo sa pamilyang ito! At ito! Dahil sa hindi mo na ako itinuturing na ina! Walang yaka!